as one of my CVs for tax education in a group, somebody replied to one of the posts that are students taxable, that is, are students supposed to pay tax? And that is why we are making this video, because we feel there are a lot of people out there that might also have this question in mind. A lot of students panicking whether they are supposed to pay tax or not in the new 2026 tax reform law. So yes, welcome to Emydigital Network, and we make videos on business compliance, business advisories, and all other related videos. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to follow for more updates. And if you have any question, or anything that is bothering you regarding the new tax reform, just let us know in the comment section, or you reach out to us through our phone numbers or our email, because tax education is very, very important. And one thing you need to know is that every day they are bringing out news and updates on the tax reform law. Because close your eyes and open it, January 2026 is already here. Like, it is already here. So today's video, we want to discuss if students are taxable in the new 2026 reform law. Yes and no. No, but yes. So why do we say that? It's a very important question, and one every young Nigerian needs to understand this clearly. Under the Nigerian Tax Administration Act, the TAA, any individual who earns an income, whether a student, a freelancer, or entrepreneur, is required to obtain a tax identification number and comply with relevant tax obligations. That is, what I'm saying basically here is that students are not supposed to pay tax, but they are also supposed to pay tax if what? They are making an income, if they are earning an income. And that's just the recap of this whole video. Like, that's just the recap of this whole video. And I'm not saying that you should just stop the video or cancel it out. There is still more, and that's what we'll be unraveling, right? So let me clarify this. If you are a student with no source of income, like, meaning you only rely on allowances, like that is the money that they gave you, or pocket money, you are not liable to pay tax. Like, you are not liable to pay tax because they are giving you money and you are not earning it. And I'm sure that 90%, let me say 80%, because I know there are some ajeballs. 80% of Nigerian students in this century are doing one business or the other. If not freelancing, they are doing one business or the other. So if you are a student who earns income, whether a POS operator, an online vendor, influencer, yes, content creator, or a freelancer, you are considered as a taxable person under the Nigerian law. You are considered as a taxable person under the Nigerian law. You are considered as a taxable person under the Nigerian law. Tax liability is not based on age or any academic status. Even if it is your professor, it is determined by income generation. It is basically determined by income generation. So let's say, for example, now, if you are a 300 level student or a 200 level student, and you sell wigs on Instagram, and you make, let's say you make like 150 or 180,000 naira, you must register your business first, obtain your TIN, and file your tax appropriately. Like, file your tax appropriately. So regarding that aspect that we just discussed, we've done several videos on it. Like, we've done several videos on it on our channel, so you can just click on the related videos, or you check the videos on our channel to know more updates about it. Or let's say you are collecting a pocket money or just allowance from home, like they are giving you allowances from home. Since the money is not from trade or any business, you are not liable to pay tax. But if you are the first example that I gave, that you make money by selling something or render any service or do something online, let's say you make money or generate income online, you are a taxable person under the new law. So here's what many students don't know, or you also need to know. So even if you are not currently paying tax, you still need a tin. Like let's say you are not paying tax now, you need to open or operate a bank account after January 1, 2026, right? So you will need to have a tin because it is compulsory. So you need to apply. You might also need to apply for any government grants, scholarships or loans. So in case you would in case you want to avoid for any setback, or you want to avoid any setback, make sure you have your tin. We have individual tin. You can just get an individual tin for yourself. So if you have a business, register your business or obtain other regulatory documents in order to safeguard your business and make your business stay in compliance, right? So the new compliance era is digital and it is automated. Like it is digital and automated. It's digital and automated, meaning that your BVN and NIN are now linked to your financial activities. They are now linked to your financial activities. So the wise move is that you need to get structured early. Register your business, get your team, and operate with full compliance before the law catches you up. Yes. So for January 2026, it is simply, I used to say this, like as you can see here, it is simply no tax ID, no bank account. No tax ID, no bank account. So at Emydigital Network, we help students, freelancers, and even business owners to get compliant fast without stress. So any of it that you need, whether you are a business or whether you are a business owner, you are a student, and you also have a business, right? And you want to get a tax ID, just let us know in the comment section, or you reach out to us through any of our number. Or you are the second example that they give you allowance from home, they only give you allowance from home, and you want to like stay in compliance, you want to get your individual TIN number, you can just reach out to us as well. Thank you very much, and that will be all. I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.